Okay, we now start with IELTS speaking part 1. So you're going to answer a number of different questions. Yeah.
What is the decoration like in your home?
There are many things to do for decorations in my home. Like I have decorated my room with flowers and with sceneries, and I also have decorate my.
I have decorate is grammatically wrong. What is the right one? I
I
have
deco-
decorated.
I have
Present
continue.
perfect.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, present perfect tense. So focus the sentence structure and especially the tenses. Yes, carry on.
What kind of decoration do you prefer?
Uh, I usually don't like many things to decorate. I usually prefer to decorate my room with simple things, and I kept my room simple.
I keep my room
I
simple.
keep my room simple with books on shelf and flowers in the corner of my room, and some couch in and with couch too.
Okay, just try to speak fluently and confidently. Okay, one more question.
Do people in your country like to decorate their homes?
Yes, people usually hire. Usually people
Home
hire home
decorators.
decorators
Yeah,
and
interior
interior
designers.
designers. So they decorate their rooms by their interior designers, and they spend a lot of money on it.
Okay,
And
thank you. Now listen, first of all, you need proper content. Content means information that you present in your answer. Secondly, you need to be fluent. Fluency needs practice. And thirdly, you have to be familiar with such type of topics. Familiarity means if today we talked about decorating your home, next time anybody asks you these questions, you'll be comfortable. So try to go through all the topics given in the book, okay? Thank you.